चांस. Patience.
Thank you.
I think we make a good match.
Really?
I think.
अभी तो मैं स्टेज पे आई हूँ. We already make a good match.
I'm just thinking. सोचने में बुरा क्या है?
नहीं, सोचने में बुरा नहीं है. अच्छा है. If you feel like it's a match, it's a match.
It's a match, absolutely. Well, my first question to you, considering आपने इतनी छोटी उम्र पे, you've done so many films. एक फिल्म में आप किडनैप होती हैं, एक फिल्म में आप प्यार ढूंढती हैं, एक फिल्म में आप स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर होती हैं. अब इस फिल्म में मतलब जिंदगी के बारे में कुछ अलग ही ट्विस्ट है. So tell us about your role. मतलब not butter chicken roll or paneer roll.
That was a very bad joke. हाँ, I know कि मेरी कैरेक्टर को एक हैबिट है कि वो बहुत बुरे जोक्स मारते हैं, but you don't need to compete with Kyra. Kyra can just be the one to crack the bad jokes.
By the end of this night, we will see who cracks the worst jokes.
Okay, you're competing?
I'm done. Done. Finalized here. Oh,
और जोर से? मैं क्यों जाऊंगी? So this film is जैसे कि आपने कहा कि डियर जिंदगी के बारे में है. It's about everything that you go through in life. मेरी कैरेक्टर का नाम है कायरा. She's a 20-something girl. Young है, restless है, passionate है, moody है, टेढ़ी है, सब कुछ है. और कभी कभी लाइफ में क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और हम किसी को ढूंढना चाहते हैं, किसी से बात करना चाहते हैं. Sometimes we talk to our friends, sometimes our family, and sometimes we talk to, in my case, Dr. Jahangir Khan, उर्फ जग.
Interesting. So this is a little bit about your character. क्या हो रहा है फिल्म में, आप क्या करने वाली हैं?
जी हाँ, जी.
तो एक काम करते हैं. Let's have a refreshing take. Let's have a look at the 4 refreshing takes on जिंदगी.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, let's do that.
Take 1. मैं निकलूं क्या यहाँ से?
I think बाकी लोग देख लेंगे और देखना भी चाहिए इनको. And I think this has been कितना real लग रहा है. It's so matter of fact. ये चीज़ें होती हैं हम सबकी ज़िंदगी में. And I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. I think it's very interesting and I think everybody out there is also going to enjoy this film.
I hope. I really hope.
तो अब हमने आपके फिल्म के बारे में बात कर ली. अब थोड़ी सी ज़िंदगी के बारे में बात कर लें.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Love, dating, friendship. What is your take on all these 3? No, I'm just asking. मैं सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूँ. Love, dating, friendship. Nothing personal.
Love. Love. Had too much of the second.
अच्छा.
And stuck in the third.
Now you're acting like a celebrity. एकदम precisely सही जवाब देना. Come on.
तो क्या बोलूँ मैं?
French fries कैसे लगता है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है French fries.
और मेरा क्या कहना है आपका?
क्या कहना है?
What do you think?
You're nice. Okay. You're very nice.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we just stop the show over here. Can we go ahead?
Come on, we can go ahead.
Okay, we'll go ahead. We'll discuss this later. Well, so what we can do is let's take a fresh look at the swipe right to Zindagi from your perspective in the film, from Kyra's perspective. तो एक काम करते हैं, Kyra की perspective से let's take a look at this new
कि
video.
मैं क्या swipe right करूँगी, क्या swipe left करूँगी.
So let's do that.
जैसे Tinder पे करते हैं.
हाँ, ठीक उसी तरह. Like how we do it on Tinder.
देखते हैं क्या है options. दिखाओ.
पहले वीडियो प्ले करते हैं.
क्या वीडियो?
हाँ, पहले आप देख
लीजिए. अच्छा, Tinder वाला. Okay.
लेफ्ट राइट बचपन में सीखा था. यहाँ पर लेफ्ट राइट कर रहे हैं. Very nice.
Yeah, simple concept.
But it's so interesting ना, बचपन में पैरों से लेफ्ट करते थे, अब उंगलियों से करते हैं लेफ्ट.
हाँ.
Very cool. But considering now I know कि आलिया को क्या पसंद है, आलिया को क्या नहीं पसंद है, what you love and what you don't love. एक काम करते हैं, let's swipe left and right.
ठीक है.
And let's bring about a few things.
Okay.
जिनको आप लेफ्ट और राइट स्वाइप करेंगे.
हाँ, मैं ready हूँ.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go for it.
I'm going for it. दिखाओ.
All right.
Serene beaches, right.
Right swipe. Excellent. Next one. Butter chicken, please.
मैं vegetarian हूँ. Left.
Please, next.
किसने बोला? Vegetarian होना अच्छा होता है कभी-कभी. Hold on. Right.
Right?
Right.
Game of Thrones. Amazing.
चॉकलेट्स अगर खाना है तो इसमें फिट नहीं हो सकती हूँ, सो लेफ्ट प्लीज.
Oh,
मैं जा रही हूँ.
I didn't mean it like
ये
that.
मतलब तुम यार मेरी बेइज्जती कर रहे हो.
नहीं, but आप क्या कहोगे? Come on, this is great.
मैं मौन व्रत ले रही हूँ.
आलिया मौन व्रत.
क्या मैंने बोला?
मौन व्रत.
नहीं मैंने मौन व्रत नहीं, मैंने मौन व्रत तो नहीं.
Okay,
ये
next.
सुनाई दे रहा है, my voice is husky.
अच्छा, ये क्या करते हैं? Next one, please.
Next,
one,
please.
Please. ये तो बनता है.
Right.
Amazing. See, we make a match.
Oh, biggest right.
Next.
Chuck Bass. Right.
Right.
क्या ये cockroaches?
Cockroaches.
ये कौन cockroaches को right swipe करेगा? Left?
ये mirror selfie.
नहीं, I don't like mirror selfie. Left.
Bodybuilder. ये
छी.
तो
I mean, no offense to bodybuilders, but personally in a guy मुझे ये bodybuilder type body अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
हाँ.
No offense, हाँ bodybuilders आप बहुत great हो, but मुझे थोड़ा सा lean, mean, अच्छा वाला मशीन चाहिए. तो left. Oh.
इनका क्या करें? ये बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव लग रहे हैं. अट्रैक्टिव.
वो तो है ही.
अब क्या करें?
अब दिल का मामला है, राइट करना ही
ये
पड़ेगा.
लीन है, मीन है.
अच्छी मशीन भी है, राइट.
ओके, सो राइट. एंड इन्हें
Right.
लाइक करें, सुपर लाइक करें, क्या करें?
आई थिंक
क्या करें? कर दे राइट.
कर दे.
तो आई थिंक अगर ये है, तो अगर ये आलिया के मिस्टर राइट हैं, तो इन मिस्टर राइट को भी बुलाना बनता ही है स्टेज पर. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर कुणाल कपूर.
आई सुपर लाइक्ड यू. या तुम्हारा माइक.
ऊ से औ तक. Alright.
माइक हमेशा नहीं चलता. हाँ, ओके. यस, हाँ, क्या?
अभी नहीं, हमने आपको लीन बोला और
और
Lean
सेक्स
mean?
मशीन
लीन
नहीं बोला.
नहीं.
डिसअपॉइंटिंग.
अच्छा मशीन बोला. मतलब मुझे क्या पता है क्या मशीन है. मुझे मशीन चलानी नहीं आती.
हाँ?
ये मुझे मशीन चलानी नहीं आती.
अच्छा, कभी मशीन. ओके, आई डोंट थिंक वी शुड गो डाउन दैट रूट.
नहीं मशीन के बारे में नहीं बात
हाँ,
करेंगे यहाँ
बिल्कुल,
पे.
बिल्कुल.
मशीन.
Picture
सारी
के
आप
बारे में.
प्लीज बात
हाँ,
कीजिए.
मैं वही तो.
हाँ, बोलिए कुछ. क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा था. मैं सिर्फ
तो
मशीन.
बोलिए ना फिर.
हाँ, ठीक है. लेट्स डू दिस वन थिंग. क्योंकि आप लोग हैं, इन्होंने आपको सुपर लाइक किया है, इन्होंने आपको राइट स्वाइप भी किया है, तो मैं एक रैपिड फायर खेलूंगा आप दोनों के साथ. ओके, क्विकली लेट्स गो फॉर इट.
रैपिड.
रैपिड फायर. सो
अरे ऐसे क्यों? मतलब कुछ क्या मतलब?
रेडी?
कबड्डी.
अरे,
कबड्डी.
अरे,
Okay.
हाँ.
Kunal, what do
हाँ.
you think about modern romance? Is it confusing or is it not?
It's confusing, yeah.
Why?
Why is it confusing? It's always been confusing. Actually, what modern romance? Romance has always been confusing because when men and women come together, it's going to be confusing.
Alia,
Right?
what do you think
Yeah.
of the same?
I completely agree.
Okay, next question. Okay, next one. Favorite pickup line. Alia, favorite pickup line.
Is your father no, I will change that.
ना.
Say it.
बहुत लफड़े हो रहे हैं.
बहुत खराब है.
अच्छा, हाँ.
I don't use pickup lines. Can that be my answer?
Okay, Kunal, your favorite pickup line?
Mine is on a scale of 1 to 10, you're a 9, and I'm the one for you.
Oh,
Hi.
please give a big round of applause.
Though
I think
actually,
that's
there's another cheesy one.
I have one.
Okay.
But you're not staying in the position.
But she's
We're
not,
ready.
हाँ.
Okay.
I forgot it. ठीक है मैं बाद में बोलती हूँ.
Okay. Question number 3. The nation wants to know. Describe your perfect soulmate.
हाँ?
Soulmate, souls. When the souls touch, then we become soulmates. Look, soulmates.
Soulmate.
Soulmates, yeah.
Soulmate. Interesting. That is your description of that. Okay. What is the biggest turn off in a guy?
Body odor.
Girl.
Acha, in a guy, I thought. Ditto, yeah. Yeah.
Body
And
odor.
someone that
always-
talks too much.
Ha. Okay.
Doesn't listen. No, I'm not talking about you. Why are you looking at me?
Okay. Next.
Okay. What look in a guy would impress you the most on a first date?
Huh?
What look on a guy would impress you the most on the first date?
Something cash, chill, easy, trying not to impress, not too hard to impress, like
Yeah. Okay.
something like this.
Kunal.
Maybe.
First date.
Why are you saying it like
Because
this?
they're not rapid fire round.
Okay,
that's why.
okay.
First date. क्या पसंद करेंगे आप? What
First
would you
date.
like a girl to look like?
What would I like a girl to look like? My God, I've been on lots of first dates and all the girls have looked very different from each other.
Okay,
So
describe
there's
one.
no
You
describe
want them
one.
to be different from each other, basically.
Different from each other would be nice. Yes.
अच्छा, एक describe कीजिए, एक date आपका, first date कैसा था?
First date. You know, there was a damn good line which I love, which is that a good first date is one that ends at dinner, but a great first date is one that ends at breakfast.
Amazing. I think that
I've had
deserves a
some
round of
breakfast
applause,
ones,
please.
and
That is awesome.
Have you had some breakfast ones? No.
I don't eat breakfast.
Oh, okay.
No, I eat lots of lunch.
Okay.
Now, next.
Ah, interesting.
First ends at
That's an
lunch.
amazing, amazing date.
Next.
Okay, that's where we stop. But I think we've had enough
Oh.
of these digs on each
You
other.
got us charged up and then now you just like dhoop.
Okay, considering that now we've had enough of this rapid fire, we've got a bit of your personal lives also out here. एक काम कर लेते हैं.
Personally, coffee with Karan
नहीं है.
नहीं है. अच्छा, ये ऐसा लग रहा है.
ऐसे नहीं होता कभी.
रिक्स नहीं उठाते हम, रिक्स.
कोई हैम्पर नहीं है तो कॉफी विद करण नहीं है.
हाँ,
500
चलिए,
1000
ठीक
रुपए के नोट है.
मेरे को 100 के चाहिए.
बहुत गरीब हूँ मैं, नहीं मेरे पास 100 रुपए के नोट.
Next.
Alright, so considering we've enjoyed this round out here, let's do one thing. Let's, for the first time, unveil the song from Dear Zindagi. तू ही है.
Yes, I just want to say a little bit about the song.
Please go ahead.
It's the third song और that's what I want to say. और गाने का नाम है तू ही है और if anybody of you have that person जिसको आप कहना चाहते हो तू ही है तो उसको दिमाग में रख के ये गाना देखना तो आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा.
Alright, so we've heard the song the first time we're unveiling the video. So, ladies and gentlemen, the video is going to be showing.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. So, literally a date song, very, very romantic, very, very in the zone, in the moment kind of song. How was it for you, this particular song?
Well, you know, I have to say something. I've been getting all these messages on social media कि बेचारी आलिया का दिल तोड़ दिया तुमने and all that. I've suddenly become this evil heartbreaker
No,
on social
you're not
media.
evil
Yeah, I'm not
heartbreaker.
evil at all. मैं तो मतलब शराफत का पुतला हूँ. So I want to say something is that, you know, I think there's a lot that happens about heartbroken people. There's poems written, songs written about how difficult it is. But sometimes it's very difficult for the heartbreaker as well. And I don't think that there's enough about that.
I think ये बात आपने बिल्कुल सही कही है.
हाँ, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Somebody that you've dated for a long time to look at them and say, look, it's not working out. No? Heartbreaker is sometimes even more difficult than being heartbroken.
I agree.
Totally. You know it the best, Alia.
Why does she know it best?
She knows
Why
it
do
best.
I know the best? मैंने क्या किया है?
तुमने कुछ नहीं किया.
अच्छा मैंने तुम्हारा दिल
हाँ,
तोड़ा
चलो,
इसलिए.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Anyways, you tell us आपके लिए ये गाना कैसा था? How was the song for you? Personal experience. How did you like the music in the song?
No, I genuinely feel कि जब आप पिक्चर देखोगे तो आपको सिचुएशनल गाना जो होता है ना उससे ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा. The music is lovely, but I really wish that you all could see it in the flow of the film, which I'm sure आप देखोगे, and then I think आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा.
Well, thank you, Alia. Thank you, Kunal. Now we leave the question and answers open for the press. Please अपना नाम लीजिए, अपने न्यूज़पेपर या अपने मैगजीन या अपने चैनल का नाम लेकर सवाल पूछिए. Thank you very much. The Q&A session is open, please.
क्या हुआ? अरुण कहाँ है? हाँ? पहले तो हमेशा वही पूछ चले गया? Always the first one.
Alia, since
Ji.
nobody is asking, let me begin the question and answer
Yes,
session.
sir.
Jyoti Venkatesh here.
जी.
From the time you acted in Student of the Year till now, Dear Zindagi, what is the exact change in you? Because even in that time, if I remember, you acted perfectly.
How
And
sweet.
in what way you are improved as an actress?
I think I don't know if I can be able to really measure my quality of acting कितना improve हुआ है क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है with every film I want to forget that I learnt anything and go back to feeling like I felt with the first film क्योंकि उसी तरह से I'll be able to grasp more, learn more, absorb more. So I would believe that I've learned a lot in terms of technique, understanding, people, experiences. उस टाइम पे मैं 18 साल की थी. Today I'm 23 years old. बहुत बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं. But there is a mental difference maybe. Like I have grown up or understood things a little better. But yeah, I think how I've changed as an actor, only the audience and the people, and you can tell me. I can't really say what has changed in me.
And next question for Kunal. Kunal, you or also equally a good actor, and you acted in Malayalam film also.
Yes,
Veeram.
yes, yeah, yeah.
And you are doing a Dear Zindagi.
Right.
How do you switch off and on when you switch from a Malayalam film to a Hindi film?
Well, you know that Malayalam film is also a Hindi and English film, so it was obviously very challenging because we had to shoot every scene in 3 languages. But I think that's the lovely part about being an actor, is that you get to play lots of different people and lots of different characters. And I remember a line that when I started off, Raghuveer Yadav had told me. He said, actors are blessed because everybody gets a chance to live their lives, but actors get a chance to live multiple lives. So I think that's the exciting part about being an actor, is to play different roles and play different people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have one more question here.
Alia and Kunal both.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Alia, what does love mean to you? You're not married, Kunal is married. And Kunal, you also after Alia. So Alia, what does love mean to you?
I think, honestly, for me, love ka meaning changes every day. Actually, genuinely. And I don't believe love is only between a boy and a girl or between 2 lovers. I feel there's a very strong love between 2 friends, very strong love between a special friendship, strong love between me and my cat. I have a very, very strong love for my cup of coffee in the morning. So love, I think, is universal. But every day, I think my definition of love changes. So today, I think my definition of love is Dear Zindagi.
We have a question here.
Yeah, for Kunal.
For me, actually, she said it before I could say it.
You agree?
I agree with you
How
completely. No, I think love is something that keeps changing, and I don't think that you can have one small little definition of love. I think it's too vast to have like a little small thing and say that this is what love is. I think it's different things on different days, and for different people and different things. That is my phone, which I'm going to turn off.
आपका phone बज रहा है? Yes. Who is somebody?
Yeah, yeah.
Haan. Hello. How are you?
Alia,
Yes.
congratulations for the song.
Thank you.
Alia, yeah,
क्या
is the
हुआ?
dating to be done responsibly?
Huh? Is what?
Dating should be done responsibly, and what are the things you would like to suggest for dating?
वो पिक्चर देख के आपको पता चलेगा, बहुत सारी चीजें पिक्चर के अंदर.
I mean, responsible तो चलते हुए भी बनना चाहिए वैसे. तो dating is of course, but I don't understand what you mean by responsible. But मैं कोई होती नहीं हूँ. I think tips देने वाले कि यहाँ मिलेंगे, वहाँ मिलेंगे. I just feel that like-minded people और जहाँ आप एक conversation हो सकता है when you can really connect with the person as opposed to just frivolously dating. And I'm not a person to judge that either. So something like that, if people want to do, and I genuinely believe that Tinder is a great opportunity for people across the world to meet like-minded people and to hang out with them. And it's not only for people who want to date. It's also for people who suppose who don't have time to really go out and socialize. Sometimes you're in a new city or in your own city, you want to just hang out, have a nice quiet dinner, meet people, have conversations. Then you can interact with people, you can chat with them, you can find out what they're all about. So I think it's a great way to interact with people and broaden your, your mind.
जब मर्जी हुई तब दे दिया. Kunal, आप बताएं, has there been any change in the dating process? Like you have been seen both the generations, like this generation.
But what do you mean by process? Process क्या होता है?
मुझे तो बहुत बुढ़ा बना दिया इन्होंने.
No, I want to know process. मतलब थोड़ा सा थोड़ी ना होके कि हम लोग कचुम्बर नहीं बना रहे कि पहले आलू काकड़ी काटेंगे, फिर मिर्ची डालेंगे, फिर वो करेंगे. Process नहीं होता है. You meet somebody, right? If you feel that person is interesting, you go on a couple of dates, and then if it's really nice, then that person becomes your boyfriend / or girlfriend. Simple है ना? Process थोड़ी होता है.
And Alia, you have been proved कि you have been lucky for Mr. Karan Johar with Adil Mushkil.
I've been lucky?
Yeah.
Oh my God, please. Don't put Adil Mushkil success on me being lucky. It did well because the film was lovely, that's why.
And this movie also...
ठीक है, don't worry, it's okay. हम लोग हैं यहाँ पे. Please, पूछिए.
This film also, what are your expectations from this film?
अच्छे expectations होंगे ना. I won't want bad for my own film. But I really feel like people, not only the youth, even older people will connect to it because it's a perspective from even a parent's angle, a daughter's angle, friend's angle. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि सब लोग connect कर पाएंगे.
Hi, Alia. Here.
Hi.
Alia, now forgetting Kyra, imagine
Okay,
Kiara.
why forget Kyra?
Yeah, just for a second. If Alia is on Tinder, what kind of a profile are you looking for?
My profile or another person?
The other person's, obviously.
See, genuinely, as I said, I love to make conversation. So if I find somebody's profile interesting, a humorous kind of person, you know, he has some character, usko creative cheez mein zyada interest hai, then I would probably be interested in somebody like that.
And what about the kind of pictures? Obviously, mirror selfies are out of the question because you don't like mirror selfies.
एक लेम टाइप का फोटो एक होता है, एक अच्छा टाइप का फोटो होता है, एंड आई थिंक यू कैन आपकी पर्सनल चॉइस पे डिपेंड करता है. कोई ऐसा पोस्ट कर रहा है तो देन मे बी आई जस्ट स्वाइप लेफ्ट, बट इफ समबडी इज जेन्युइनली स्टैंडिंग पोजिंग विद अ फ्रेंड, कोई माउंटेन का फोटो हो तो शायद मतलब भी ओ ये माउंटेन हाइकर है, मतलब माउंटेन्स पे शायद जाने का मौका मिलेगा. सो देन यू विल प्रोबब्ली
If you want to date, no, I was going to say Kyra. If you want to date Alia, basically you need pictures with mountains at the back.
I love mountains also.
Kunal, just now Alia said that, I mean, usually you date like-minded people, but usually I think unlike-minded people club together. What do you have to say?
Well, I don't think there's, like she was saying, there's no rule of dating and there's no rule of romance. I've dated a lot of people and I've dated all different sorts of people. I mean, I've dated people that thought exactly like I did, had common interests. I've dated people that, had thought completely differently and had interests that were really like different from mine. So I don't think there's a process to it and I don't think there's a rule to it. I think you just connect or you don't connect. And I don't think it's dependent on whether you're like-minded or you have the same hobbies or whatever it is.
I also
think
feel
it's just-
like-minded does not necessarily mean like same thoughts.
Right.
I feel like-minded also is nice when you challenge each other's thoughts. That's also interesting.
And somebody just asked you, he said that you're married, right?
Right.
So has your definition of love changed after marriage? Would you like to?
Well, I don't know if my definition has changed, but I think the love has grown. I think I'm more in love with my wife now than I was when I was dating her. I was in love with her then as well, but I think that's grown a lot more now. So I don't know if the definition has changed, but the quantity has changed.
Hi Alia. Yeah.
हेलो. हाय.
आलिया, आपने हाल ही में शायद कॉफ़ी विद करण में कहा था कि आपने 3-4 लोगों को अब तक डेट किया है, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. तो फर्स्ट टाइम किसी को डेट करने का वो एक्सपीरियंस और फर्स्ट टाइम जब हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ था उससे कैसे आपने डील किया, थोड़ा कुछ बता सकती हैं?
मैं बहुत छोटी थी. I mean, not छोटी, मतलब I was like 16,
Suddenly
17.
sound like a toddler.
I was 16, 17. Thanks. I was 16, 17. या कोई फंडा नहीं होता है. You just engross your. उस टाइम पे I was like with my friends और कुछ ज़्यादा distract करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. But I think today maybe I'll just maybe go for a holiday, just focus on my work and I don't feel bad. अगर कुछ, I mean I will feel bad, पर अगर कुछ खत्म हुआ है, it's obviously for a reason. और अगर खत्म नहीं होना था, then it'll come back together. I always believe that if that person is meant for you, he'll come back to you or she'll come back to you.
Well, I think thank you so much, Alia. Thank you so much, Kunal.
Well, thank you. Thanks so much, guys.
We're
Thank you.
also live on Facebook, and the deal is that a lot of your fans have been requesting and placing requests and गाने की बात कर रहे हैं. कुछ सवाल पूछे. सबसे ज़्यादा हिट मिला है एक सवाल को, जहाँ पर आपके बहुत सारे फैंस ये चाहते हैं कि आप एक गाना गाएं थोड़ा सा.
कौन सा गाना?
कोई भी गाइए.
My voice is really gone.
But चलेगा if you can manage.
ऐसे गाऊं?
थोड़ा चलेगा.
Okay. तो एक ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले इलियाराजा का जो गाना है, हमने एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी ऑनर टू हैव इट अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर एल्बम, क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म की ईथॉस से बहुत मिलता जुलता है. और मैं पहले से ही माफ़ी मांग रही हूँ अगर कुछ गलत हो गया तो, क्योंकि मैंने कोशिश किया है अलॉन्ग विद अमित त्रिवेदी हु इज़ अ जीनियस हु मेड इट अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट वर्जन. बट मैं ये सिर्फ इसलिए गाऊंगी क्योंकि मेरे आई थिंक इट रेजोनेट्स विद माई कैरेक्टर्स फीलिंग्स एंड द फिल्म्स जर्नी. तो ये पूरा दिल से है. ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना. ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ए जिंदगी. Thank you.
That was amazing, Alia. And I just changed my name, Zindagi.
Oh. नहीं. Sorry, आपका नाम ग्लेन है, ग्लेन रहेगा.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, guys.
Well, thank
we'll
you.
just
Thanks
like
so
to invite the cast, the remaining part of the team.
Yes.
All right, can I please have
please, guys, please give a round of applause for
big
the rest
round
of
of
the
applause
cast
for our
who
actors.
really make the film.
Akanksha Gare, can I please have her on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, then I have Abhan Devhans, Atul